Dave and I and the dogs are out at, I think it's Leque Island, and we are going to just do a short walk along the slough here and see if we can see some cool birds. It is a windy day and it's starting to rain just a tiny bit, but we wanted to get out and enjoy the day, and I think that there's supposed to be a heron rookery here. Look at all the little bird footprints. They're tiny little trails. We used to come out here and this area had these massive old trees, and this was all a field. We used to see short-eared owls here, which was pretty neat. But they've recovered it into more like the land that it used to be. So it's now an estuary where young Chinook salmon can come in and live. And it's definitely very affected by the tides. And the shorebirds are super stoked about it. Here's an old, very old, dilapidated barge of some kind. It's pretty wide and flat to be, I don't know what kind of boat it was. Well, it has a rudder, some kind of boat. It was a very old, abandoned, dilapidated boat. Well, we did 1 mile exactly. We went out and back, which was probably about 0.7, but we did a little bit more back and forth and came back on the grass instead of the gravel. Checked out the old abandoned boat and kind of jogged around a little. So probably 0.7 if you do it like you're supposed to. There were a few birds out here today. The light wasn't the greatest. Frodo wants to see that censored. But it was a fun day out. The dogs had a blast. Saw some cool birds. The wind was kind of blowing, so I didn't really say what they were. I will put the captions underneath, and we might kind of poke around this area and see what else we can find. Otherwise, that's it for Leque Island.